Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix message unavailable on Instagram. Solution number 1. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Click on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Update your Instagram app. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. On the App Store page, click on search bar. Search your Instagram app. Click on Instagram. Update your Instagram app. Solution number 3. Disconnected VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. On the General page, scroll up, click on VPN and Device Management. Click on VPN. Disconnected VPN if it's connected. Solution number 4. Offload Instagram app and reinstall it. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on Journal. On the Journal page, scroll up, click on iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, scroll up, click on Instagram app. On the Instagram page, click on offload app. Again offload app to confirm this process. Then wait for few seconds. Now reinstall app. Thanks for watching this video.